Okay, so two things are about to happen. And the first one is you're going to feel real cold because Gummy Jeans are going to spray the cold spray on you. And then you're going to feel an injection. A little stick, sting, and a burn right there. Stick, sting, and a burn it is. Medicine's going in. And a little bit more right here. Very little bit more. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lift the mole, take the scissors, and snip it off. It's gone. Now we're putting this in the pathology cup, the specimen cup, so that we can have it analyzed like we talked about. How you doing, lineman?
I'm fine.
You can.
He's like, I don't want to talk.
He doesn't want to talk. Lyman, you got a little friend here that lives underneath your right arm. How long you had this?
Man, as long as I can remember.
So really, years and years?
Yeah.
Okay. Has it ever bled?
No.
Now, you attempted a home surgery on this, didn't you?
Yeah, it was probably about twice as long.
Really? How did that go?
Cold spray me.
You're okay if we video for all our friends on YouTube, all right?
Yeah.
A couple of those 4x4s. Good.
You gonna miss a little friend?
He sure is. Misty, what I want you to do is just spray that cold spray. That bottle works better if you flip it around the other way.
Like this. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna spray it when you spray it.
Don't spray me in the eye with it.
Spray it like...
Gonzo. Okay. All right, give me a little spray right there.
No, tilt it all the way down.
There you go.
You got it.
All right,
she got it.
stop.
Don't freeze
stick.
the needle like I do.
What's it
Stick,
gonna feel? There
sting,
you go.
and a burn.
How'd we do it? Did we call it?
Mm,
Feeling much pain?
no, not now.
Good. It did initially?
A little bit.
A little bit initially. We'll give you a little more back here. A little more. So you tried tying it off with a string, right?
Right.
Okay. Sometimes that works. Very good. We're now going to excise the skin tag.
Ooh.
We're going to grab right there. We're going to make a little cut. Just like, how was that?
That's crazy. Your friend is gone.
Hurt.
Now your teeth are feeling a lot
That's
better.
right.
Your teeth was hurting?
No.
He's putting you on.
You guys, listen. I'm so slow when it comes to stuff like that. I don't know when you're joking and when you're not.
Yeah, when they double your teeth up, they don't hurt
Oh,
anymore.
gotcha.
You know?
Like dental work.
That's right. Now, believe it or not, we're going to do this with a pair of scissors. Do you believe that?
I believe it. I saw them, that's why.
There it goes.
There it is.
Just
Really?
fell off.
That's too easy.
It is pretty easy, I have to admit. Was it as cold as you thought it was going to be?
No.
Oh no!
We used it all up.
I tried to put.
Put enough in. Well, maybe not. Obviously, we're running low on liquid nitrogen right now. No, we have enough to do this the first time. All right, and we'll get some more for the second round. Okay, so we're going to do them all twice. This is the first time we're going to wait a few minutes for them to thaw.
Okay.
So we want 2 complete freeze-thaw cycles, okay? A few years ago that you noticed, it could have been there smaller,
It could have been.
but we just don't know, do we? Okay. Has it ever bled or anything like
No,
that?
it gets sore.
Just gets sore if you rub it too much?
Yeah,
Like if
I
you're
wear
wearing
jeans.
tight pants, right? Yeah, I would imagine. Well, we're going to snip this off and put a few stitches in for you.
Okay.
Does that sound like a lot of fun to you?
Oh, hunky dory.
And this should work just almost immediately. Yeah.
Yeah.
Put a little bit more in. Got a little bit right here, so we'll use it. Giving that back. I was actually going to use a 15, but I can use an 11. So we're just going to gently lift this up, and we're going to make an incision and remove your little pal here, Crybaby. Why'd you want your nickname to be Crybaby?
I don't like needles.
Well, that wasn't so bad, though, was it?
No, the spray was worse.
Yeah. Well, guess what?
Is it off?
Your giant skin tag is gone, and I'm gonna put a stitch right where we removed it so that this doesn't bleed much.
I'm a retired Army veteran, and I lost 10 pounds, and I feel great. All that stuff on the shelf I've tried, but this actually really works.
All right. You love your Meta 7, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I just got another bottle.
Good deal. Let me ask you this. So you said your wife's taking it too.
Yeah, my wife started taking my medication, and I'm out early, so I have to get another one.
She likes it as well.
Yes, my wife loves it.
Awesome.
She's on board.
Doesn't make you jittery or shaky or anything like that?
Not at all. It gives you energy that you need to get through the day.
Fantastic. Man, I appreciate it. Thanks.
You're gonna love it. Try it.
Dr. Gilmore here. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like pimple popping and you've always wanted to do your own pimple popping, we've got just what you need. Super Pimple Popping Kit has everything you need to get the job done right. The instructions for getting your own Super Pimple Popping Kit are in the video description box below. Thanks again for watching.